Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make brittle peanut full guide. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and water until amber, stir in roasted peanuts and butter, add baking soda to aerate, spread on a buttered sheet, cool until hard, and break into pieces. Work quickly when hot and use a candy thermometer for accuracy. Store in an airtight container once cooled to retain crunch. Enjoy serving with coffee or dessert. Gather 2 cups roasted peanuts, 2 cups granulated sugar, ½ cup light corn syrup, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Use a heavy skillet and a candy thermometer for consistent results. Prepare a buttered baking sheet and measure ingredients before heating. Clear a workspace and keep a spatula and oven mitts nearby. These simple steps will speed the process and reduce mistakes while you work with hot sugar. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride and a laugh. I'll link that and other deals in the description so you can check prices and options. Your support helps me make more clear, friendly guides. Thanks for watching this pause, and now let's get back to the video. Heat sugar, corn syrup, and water to about 300 degrees F on a candy thermometer for a clear amber color. Stir gently, watching for steam and caramelization. Avoid stirring once browning accelerates. Fold in roasted peanuts and butter quickly, then remove from heat and whisk in baking soda to create air bubbles. Pour onto prepared sheet, spread thinly, and let cool completely before breaking into shards. Be cautious with hot sugar to avoid burns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.